Well, hi, this is Cathy with Cathy's Farmhouse Bakery. We're going to continue that thought of the art of manipulation. Today, we're going to make some pie filling. Fruit pie filling, that is. Think about it while we're working on the video and while you're watching. What is your favorite pie? What is your favorite fruit pie? Please comment in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite pie is. So today we're going to make raspberry pie filling. There are multiple ways that we can use the pie filling once it's done. To start with, in my pot, I have 2 pounds of frozen raspberries. You can use just about any fruit. So you're talking blueberries, cherries, any of that. The best way to do it is with it being frozen. From that, we're also going to add, once they've been defrosted with the stovetop and most of the liquid is gone, we're going to add to this. I have in a bowl, I have 2/3 of a cup of sugar and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. I only like to put about a half to 2/3 of a cup of sugar because I like the fruit to have its flavor enhanced. The recipe, and you'll see the full recipe, calls for a cup to a cup and a half of sugar. To me, that's a little much. However, if you want to try it with that full amount, more power to you. So we're going to put that in. We'll put in raspberry extract and we'll let it thicken up and make the pie gel. So let's start by turning the oven on. And I'm going to turn it on to like a medium, to like a 5 on my 0 to 10 scale, medium high. And we're going to let that warm up and we're going to let the fruit defrost. As you can see, most of or just about all of the fruit has now been defrosted. There's still a little bit to go, but as you can see, we've got the liquids. We're going to let the fruits continue to cook and the liquids to cook off. When most of that is cooked off, then we'll add the bowl that has the sugar and cornstarch in it to thicken it up and make the gel. Alrighty, as you can tell, everything is now defrosted and most of the liquid is out. We need to leave some of the liquid in that will mix with the sugar and the cornstarch. Temporarily, I'm going to turn this off and take this off of the heat. I'm going to add the sugar and the cornstarch in, and I'm going to add the extract. In this case, I'm using red raspberry, and I'm going to put in, this is a half teaspoon measuring spoon, and I'm putting in a whole teaspoon of it. That enhances the raspberry flavoring. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up and put it back on the stove. Put it back on my burner after I've got it all mixed. I'm going to turn this back on. And then I want to put it down on 2 or even all the way down to low. And just let the cornstarch and the sugar mix in with the syrup, with the liquids from the raspberry that we defrosted. And we'll go ahead and make the raspberry pie filling and the pie gel. And this may take a couple minutes to thicken up. If it doesn't thicken up the way you like it, add a little more cornstarch. If it gets too thick and you want to thin it out, add a little water. Alrighty, as you can tell, we have certainly thickened this way up. I think we'll go ahead and turn it off. Okay, as it cools, it'll thicken even more. So, that's Cathy's Farmhouse Bakery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, add your comment for your favorite flavored pie filling. That could be the next pie. That could be the next video. Thanks a lot and have a great one, folks. Don't forget, Cathy's Farmhouse Bakery.